everyone, welcome back on my channel. We are still in the same Excel as we have in previous video, but I was thinking that maybe I'll show you the macro, which is very useful when you have a new data set and would like to see how many blanks row do you have in your data set, and probably you want to delete it. So in this macro it will be counting black rows in our range, and then it will give us message box like, hey, in your data set it is number of black cell is 20, and those will be deleted. So let's start as usual from the top, from the beginning of the macro, and here we can see set as variables. Some of them already well known, like WSS worksheet. So maybe already jump to the code. So when we set up the variables, right? So the first one is set the worksheet. So here use this workbook. You can use active, whatever, if you want to. The sheet one, the name was from Kaggle, so I didn't change it. It's the same as we already have. Then we have the range. So the range we will be checking for the black rows. Here I put the A column. So what is doing is for R and G is checking worksheet range. Then from A to the end of the A. And what it's doing is counting the rows. So each of the one is going till the end of those. So it's like control page down. It's checking how many rows do you have in A column. Then is something new for us, is each of count of black. So black count, it was setting here as long, so the long variable. It will be basically starting from 0 for us. So we are starting from 0 black rows. I want to see how many do we have. So we will be adding till black to black count the new blank rows. Okay, and then we have the first loop, and it will be for next. So here we have for each cell in range, so each of the row in A to A till the end. If cell value is empty, so basically it's the same as function is empty, and we check if the cell is empty or not. If yes, then black count will be adding +1. So we can think about it. If we have blank in A column, it will be adding +1 to it. Then we have if and next cell. So for each, then next. Then we have the display. So we want to see how many do we have in our data set. Let's imagine that we receive a new data from supplier. We want to check how many empty information you have in the range. We can change as well column. Then it's very useful. And the last thing I was thinking that we can add here, and I was adding error, is deleting rows. So for each in this range, if this is empty, so very similar as here, then this cell and the entire row, so not just one particular cell in the this data in this column, but the whole row would be deleted for this particular empty one. Then is end and the next one, and that's it for this macro. That was the first thing that I was thinking very useful for it, and yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.